Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make East Indian-style pork vindaloo using an easy method. First, let's prepare the pork. Take about 1 pound of pork shoulder or belly, cut into 1.5-inch cubes. Marinate it with a 1/4 cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of ginger-garlic paste, and a teaspoon of salt. Let this sit for at least 2 hours, or ideally overnight, to tenderize the meat and infuse it with flavor. Next, we'll create the heart of our vindaloo, the spice paste. Gently toast 1 tablespoon each of cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and mustard seeds until they are fragrant. Then, grind these with 6 dried red chilies, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, and 4 cloves into a fine powder. Finally, add about a 1/4 cup of vinegar to this powder to form a smooth, thick, and incredibly aromatic paste. Now, let's start cooking. In a heavy-bottomed pot, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and sauté 2 finely chopped onions until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Add your marinated pork and brown it thoroughly on all sides for about 10 minutes. This step seals in the juices. Then, stir in your freshly made vindaloo paste, add 1 cup of water, and bring it to a gentle simmer for about 45 minutes. Finally, let's finish our delicious vindaloo. Check the pork for tenderness. It should be incredibly soft. Taste and adjust the seasoning, adding a little more salt or a splash of vinegar if needed to balance the flavors. The curry should have a rich, thick gravy. Serve this authentic East Indian-style pork vindaloo piping hot with fluffy steamed rice or some warm, crusty bread to soak up all that amazing sauce. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.